everyone, just thought I'd come on here and show you how I did this bird box. Right, as you can see in my previous videos, we have robin going into the bird box, and inside has 6 robins. And so I've been asked a question on, you know, how I built it. Well, first of all, once you do get to build it, the size of the opening is important. This one is too small for robins, but it has a bit of nesting material attempted, but you know, it was failed, so it didn't do it. So for robins you need a bigger opening. Right, now let's have a little look at where it's located. So it's located up there, and that there is an end cap. Back to me. Now, end cap is this bit that pushes onto here. Now, this is a stack pipe, which you find in most houses. You've got offcuts. It will start off 110, but the end cap is bigger, so you have to. So what I've done is I've got my faithful blowtorch. You heat up the area until you push this to fit in. And once you've done that on both ends, as you can already see, it's screwed to the wall. You then just fit it to the wall, wherever it is, up on the wall. Be helpful if you put it into sort of like where there's some bushes and hide it in there. And then the birds will come onto there and in, and that's how it's built. So, hope that answers most people's questions. Thanks for asking. Bye for now.